In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix failed to connect in Valheim. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you plenty of different solutions to fix this failed to connect problem when trying to join a friend to play Valheim. So, to fix this, first, what you can try to do is to disable crossplay. So this is a very basic solution, but it seems to help a lot of people who are trying to host their own worlds. So if you are trying to host a game and you choose a specific world, try disabling crossplay. Of course, if you want to use crossplay, then you will have to follow some of the other solutions, but if you don't care about using crossplay because you and your friends are on the same platform, it can be an easy way to fix this. So try this and see if it works. If it still doesn't work or you need crossplay, then something else that you can try is to simply restart the server. Of course, make sure that the server is running to begin with. If the server was paused or if it is not currently running in the background, either through a specific service like NetRadio, which will host the server for you, or through someone else's PC, then go ahead and start the server. And if it is already running, I recommend restarting it, because it can help clear out temporary glitches. Make sure that everyone is running the same version of Valheim. And something else that you can do is to right-click the game on Steam, go over to Properties, and once you choose the properties of Valheim, go over to the Installed Files option. Inside of Installed Files, verify the integrity of the game files. Everyone who is trying to play should do this. And if you notice that any of the files were corrupted, reacquire them through Steam and then try to connect once more. After everyone verifies their game, it should work flawlessly. So restart the server, verify the integrity of the game files, try disabling crossplay, and update any sort of video drivers. One of these solutions will be able to help you fix failed to connect in Valheim. Now, before I end this video, if it helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.